West Philippine Sea. Yan ang laman ng Alamin video. Nagamit natin ngayon for our stakeholder unit. Look, ipaglaban. Yung ipaglaban, ito yung by occupy ni China ang West Philippine Sea. Ito yung ICE activities. At ano yung ginagawa natin? Meron siyang tatlo na ginagawa natin. In-explain niya, why do we need to ally with other nations? Bakit importante yung multilateral activities with like-minded nations? Nawa yung AFP modernization. Bakit importante ang AFP modernization? Pangatlo, bakit importante ang whole of society sa paglaban natin? Threat. Of course, ang pinakahuli na video is supportahan. Means getting the support, no? Call to action. These are the external na ginagamit na natin ngayon, no? For our external. So, next. Ito naman yung template ng management of support. Ibigay natin sa mga line units to influence the local government unit magpalabas ng manifesto of support or resolution. No? Learning the ICAD activities, supporting the government's initiatives na nandyan. No? Next slide. Are some of the manifesto of support, sample, business groups, the Management Association of the Philippines, no? Statement of support, no? Examples of statement of support. Nasa ano yan? Nasa social media ito. Next slide. So, an example of manifesto of support from the Southern Asia, no? The LGU of Nunangan. So, this is an example. Working the Philippines place the West Philippines. So, ano namin sisingilin yung mga lower units? Namin ma-ensure na ginagawa ng lower units yung kanyang trabaho in support of the strategic communication nila. Ayan, meron kaming measures of performance ng 8. Ito yung mga hinahanap namin sa kanila. Ang mechanism namin. Meron kaming mechanism kasi every 2 months nagre-report yung mga line of units ano na ang nagawa. Support the country. Engagement count, partner actions, stakeholder leads, the 50 usage. Hindi nyo ba napansin na aming sundalo ang nagpalit ng kanyang Facebook profile? We have the ongoing social media campaigns. And even the cover page of every Facebook pages of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, nakalakay doon. So on. So this is the measure of platform. So what we have done for the last 10 months, next slide. What we have done, we have done education and awareness. We were able to sustain formation dominance. Posing interference tactics, documenting malign influence, education as stakeholder. continuing to make democratic resilience to public engagement stakeholder mobilization. Umikot na po kami sa buong Pilipinas. Ito kay Colonel Bong kanina, hindi pa kami talaga naka-input dito sa NCR or we need your help doing this in the entire country. Next slide. It's an example of a synchronized activity that was conducted December 28. Tinawag namin tribute, no? So yung enhancing the talent, resiliency, the intelligence, bravery, the courage of our youth. No? Sabay-sabay ito kinanda noong December. Want to empower the youth sector. It's an example. Next. And of course, functioning malign influence, no? Doing information sharing protocols, age products, capacity building training programs, strategy. We were able to visit 5 commands, no? The north to the south. Able to generate public support and at the same time and conducting trainers training for stakeholders. Okay, so I have some questions later. Very much willing to answer that. But before that, before I will end my presentation, allow me to present to you a 7-minute video. 7-minute video, no, explaining in details regards to our conflict.
The West of these people. It's not just a matter of God, it's about our sovereignty and power. We must understand that what is why it happens. As the Philippines even the prisoners of that. In this video, we will explain the data and all the details important for the West of these people.